Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to talk about materials management, meaning and objective of inventory management, objective of purchasing, functions of purchasing department and steps in purchasing. Material management is the process of planning, procuring, storing and providing the appropriate materials of the right quality in the right quantity at the right price at right place in right time from right sources. In other words, material management process is a scientific technique adopted by companies for planning, organizing and controlling all activities related to right from the recognition of need for materials to the ultimate dispatch of finished goods to the ultimate consumer. It includes the functions of procurement, material handling and storage, production and inventory control, packaging, transport and associated information system. First, we will see the meaning of inventory. It is a detailed list of movable items which are required for manufacturing products and maintaining the equipment and machines in good working order. On the other hand, inventory management is a process of tracking the flow of inventory. It starts from the procurement of goods and its storage in warehouse and continue to the outflow of the raw material to manufacturing units and stock to reach to the market. Once the goods reaches to the premises, inventory management ensures it receiving, counting, sorting, arrangement, storage and maintenance of these items efficiently. There are two ways to utilize goods sorted in the warehouse, as it is also clear from the figure. First way is direct distribution of goods in the market via wholesaler, dealers, retailer or customer. Second way to utilize goods sorted in the warehouse is to send to the production unit for manufacturing of finished goods. Inventory management process is performed to simplify the operational activities. Some of the main objectives of inventory management are as follows. First, to prevent wastage. An ideal and optimal inventory level reduces the chances of wastage in the form of goods spoilage. Second objective is to minimize storage cost. A well inventory management does not require the maintenance of excessive stock. As a result, unnecessary warehousing costs are minimized. Third, to maintain sufficient stock. Inventory management ensures constant supply of raw materials, so the production department need not worry about the shortage of raw materials or goods. Fourth, to enhance cash flow. Inventory has a significant impact on the cash flow of the company. Effective inventory management ensures sufficient liquid cash to the organization, which in turn enhance operational efficiency of organization. Last objective of inventory management is to reduce the cost value of inventory. If an organization constantly or regularly purchases goods or stock from a specific source, the organization can bargain with seller and ask for other benefits to decrease the purchase price of goods. Purchasing is the first step of materials management. Purchasing means procurement of goods and services from some external agencies. The objective of purchasing department is to arrange the supply of materials, spare parts and services or semi-finished goods required by the organization to produce the desired products from some agency or source outside the organization. According to Westing, Fine and Jenge, purchasing is a material activity that goes beyond the simple act of buying. It includes research and development for the proper selection of materials and sources, follow-up to ensure timely delivery, inspection to ensure both quantity and quality, to control traffic, receiving, storekeeping, and accounting operation related to purchases. The modern thinking is that purchasing is a strategic managerial function and any negligence will ultimately result into decrease in profit. Purchasing have following objectives. First objective is to help in procuring right materials. Second objective is to ensure quality of purchased materials. Third objective is to help in procuring materials in right quantities. Fourth objective is to procure materials at reasonable price. Next objective is to develop reliable sources of supply and maintain good relationship with supplier. And last objective is to develop alternative sources of supply. Purchasing activities are mostly assigned to the purchasing departments. The function of purchasing department are very wide and varies with a process of purchasing. Some of the important functions which are performed by purchasing departments are as follows. First, receiving indents. Second, assessment of demand or need of enterprise. Third, selection of sources of supply. Fourth, receiving of quotation. Fifth, placing order. Next, ensuring delivery at the proper time by following of the orders. Another function, verification of invoices. Next function is inspection of incoming materials. Next function of purchasing department is meeting transport requirement of incoming and outgoing materials, maintaining purchasing orders and files, reporting to top management about item delivered or required, and last function is developing coordination among other departments. Purchasing process involves following steps. First, identification of the need of the company. This is the first step where the need of the purchase is identified for internal operation and producing a good. The next step is selecting a specific product. For this step, a list of product specifications should be made, which should also be based on what the company expects to achieve by purchasing this product. The third step is deciding the technical specification. The company should arrive at a list of required technical specification for the product to ensure it meets the company needs. The fourth step is deciding price of materials. The company should establish a desired budget for the respective purchase. Fifth step is contacting suppliers. The fifth step consists in researching and identifying potential suppliers. The company contacts most number of people who can supply to the company. This creates competition and is better for the company. Next step is finalizing suppliers. After 2 or more suppliers are shortlisted and are able to meet the requirements set by the company, then the company is going to ask the final quotation from the suppliers. This is final negotiation process. Last step is placing the order. With all the above steps done, the company finalizes with one supplier and place orders.